Eno neo mitungi iria enyitirwo mutaratara-ini uyu uria utabanirio kiroko gia gukea umuthi ni maofitha a kuma ruhonge rwa uthuthuria ni rwo DCI. Ceceni ino ihofanirio riri mitungi ino igwikiragwo gasi na njira cia ngungo aruti wira o mena kirigiriro gia kwenderia andu.
We have an illegal LPG gas outlet that is not licensed, and what they're doing, they are lipping off members of public because it's not standardized. If you buy a 5 kg gas cylinder, you only get like 3 kgs.
Borithi maugite ati ene ceceni ino ni metharire no ni maracaranio nao kuona ati makoretwo makiruta wira uyu mugaru na watho na marekeraga gasi itari nginyaniru mitungi-ini ya kambuni iria ciuikaine. Oho borithi maugire ati gasi ino no irehe mathina manene ma ugima wa mwiri o hamwe na gucina nyumba.
This gas is smuggled from outside countries, so they're denying government revenue. Also, you hear of trucks of gas disappearing. This is where they come to. So this is stolen gas too. How about the gas cylinders too? Gas cylinders, burglaries and all that. All those gas cylinders end up in this installation.
Borithi meranĩire ati frigisheni ino no iguthi na mbere icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini niguo kunina biacara ino ya ngungo kaimana. Gukinyiria riu ceceni 10 ni irikitie kuhofanirio na ikahingwo gicigo-ini gia gatagati ga bururi.
So my appeal to the members of public: buy gas from recognized retail outlets, and the retailers should have licenses for agent permit for those premises.
Gerifotera Inoro TV, Getwo Kate Muthoni.